I've got really low water pressure. Here's kind of how the water was coming out before, and then after replacing it with this shower head, here is how the water is coming out now. So if you have a problem with water pressure like I do at my home, and you want the water to come out faster but you have really low pressure, then that is why you would get a head like this. This is everything you get with the shower head. Now, this was sent to me so I could test it out. Let me kind of give you a close-up look at this. Kind of looks fancy. How's it going? This is silicone. I guess you could use this as a scrub brush. Not really sure what that's for. But it looks like you've got 3 different spray modes. 1, 2, and 3. And this is black, and it comes with your Teflon tape as well. And a unique thing about this shower head, of course, is the filter that is inside. So it does come with this filter that is replaceable, and you just kind of stick it in there and this will help filter your water. As far as the installation goes, it's the same as any other shower head. You just kind of screw things together. Instead of talking about the different modes, I'm just going to show them here so you can see how each of the different modes are. And as far as how this comes out, again, let me just remind you, I've got really low pressure on my shower, and this is how it comes out. So this is what the shower head is like. Thanks for watching.